Shiba Inu Coin is absolutely ripping. Let's talk about why this is happening and where I think this coin could be headed very soon. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, guys, Shiba Inu is having a day. Well, a very good day that is. It's a very, very green day for the overall cryptocurrency market, as you can see here with some of these more popular coins. And of course, with Shiba Inu as well being up just about 1% on the day. Now, we actually were at one point up just 18% over the last 24 hours, guys. The chart looking absolutely beautiful and bullish as ever as far as this price action is concerned. Now, look at this. We have a beautiful, nice rising wedge bull flag kind of starting to form. Hopefully we can continue to support this level and make new highs as the time goes on. Lots of news in the market today, guys. Lots of stuff going on. Before we get into that though, guys, literally the best way to keep up with us on a minute-to-minute basis, besides our Discord, which is the first link down in the description below if you guys want to get access to our private Discord where we talk about our personal plays in the stock and crypto markets and what Shiba Inu is doing, of course. Hit that first link down below, but also follow our Twitter account, guys, at It's Finance Bro. Sorry about that. My voice cut out there for a second. A little bit of allergies today. You know how it goes. But again, follow our Twitter account, guys. It's at It's Finance Bro. And of course, it's just a great community to be a part of and a great place, obviously, to go and see what the newest and latest crypto and of course Shiba Inu news is as well. So don't get lost in the mix, guys. Don't get caught up with other stuff. Again, go follow us at It's Finance Bro on Twitter. It might be linked down in the description below, but if it's not, that's our at right there, of course, as well. Now, lots of news today, lots of stuff going on. Again, we've made several videos already about Ask the Doctor. There's a ton of controversy going on there. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it by now if you aren't already. And of course, we know that there is a lot of other things going on as well. I'm going to cover all of this in detail, and I already kind of have in most of the other videos. But in today's video, I want to talk about what's going on with the price, because we've covered everything kind of extra, right? All of the outside news to Shiba Inu and all of the drama going around it. But I want to cover where the price is going, because again, this pump is a substantial pump that we're looking at right now. And as long as we continue to consolidate at these levels and continue to push higher, I'm still going to be positive and still very bullish on the overall momentum of Shiba Inu. That's not to say that if we do lose a few points here and continue to kind of trend down a little bit more, as long as we can hold at this new kind of support level that we're starting to form here, I'm still going to be very bullish. But I want to talk about this. Biggest Ethereum whales are now holding Shiba Inu and a bunch of other tokens. Who cares about? But again, this is huge, guys. The whales, if you guys haven't been familiar with the stuff that we've been putting out recently, we've been talking about the whales and what they are doing. The whales have been buying up Shiba Inu tokens in a feeding frenzy over the last couple of weeks. We saw it literally here. I'll go on the chart and show you guys. After the Kraken exchange listing and the subsequent pullback, we saw literally almost every single day or almost every other day tons and tons of whale buying pressure. I'm talking multi-millions of dollars of worth of Shiba Inu being bought up in just different transactions, right? All along this price range. And as it went further, lower and lower, more and more whales continue to buy, because we're kind of in a consolidation period right now, right? We're not seeing massive highs. We're not seeing massive lows, just a lot of consolidation and overall stabilization, which is good for the coin in the long term. We're going to have days like this every once in a while where we have a nice little breakout towards the upside and more bullish momentum, but that's what the whales continue to do. Now, the biggest thing that you want to mention here is obviously price update. Shiba Inu surges 10%, that's just today, amid 4 trillion accumulation from Ether whales. Now, they're not saying $4 trillion, that's 4 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which is still worth millions of dollars, which is a very, very big deal. And again, we had a nice little breakout obviously right in this kind of area. Now you might be wondering, why are they doing this buying, right? Because I mean, millions of dollars being spent on Shiba Inu is obviously quite a bit of money. Why is that the case, right? We know that Shiba Inu is now, as you can see here, according to whale stats in this little graphic right here, the top holding position amongst Ethereum whales. Ethereum whales are absolutely in love with Shib token. They have literally trillions of dollars or billions of dollars of worth of Shiba Inu. And the question is why, right? Why is this happening? And it seems to me that there may be some type of coordinated effort to either accumulate before a future breakout that may be coming in the coming months or even the coming year in 2022 at Q1, or there could be some market manipulation happening that we're not fully able to understand yet. Again, this is all very speculative, right? At the end of the day, I want to know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. I'm sure you guys all have some very interesting opinions about why the whales are buying that the way they're buying, and of course what they're doing and why they're doing it. I think you guys always kind of hit the head of the hit the nail with the, all right, you know, we're just going to abandon that entire, metaphor, whatever. You guys do a really good job. How about that? Anyways, you guys do a really good job of really giving some very interesting points and overall takes and opinions about what this coin is doing and why it's doing it and why the whales are buying and everything in between. It's really interesting to read some of your guys' thoughts, so make sure to comment them down below. But again, in my opinion, what I think is happening, and this is of course my opinion, so please keep that in mind, I think that overall the whales are getting ready for something big. I think 2022 is going to be a massive year for crypto, let alone Shiba Inu coin as well, and I think we're going to see some crazy stuff happen in just this coming year. Now again, keep in mind that of course this is all speculative, right? I'm only putting money, especially in Shiba Inu, I'm only putting in enough money that I'm willing to lose. I'm still buying the dips on a very consistent, relatively recent basis, especially after the couple of dips that we experienced here. And overall, I'm continuing to add to my position. But I'm only putting money in that I have left over after I get paid, right? After my paychecks, after I invest for retirement, after my savings. That money, the little play money that I have left over, that's what I'm investing in. I'm treating this kind of like a lottery ticket with maybe a little bit better odds. That's the way that I'm treating Shiba Inu. And I think that right now the whales are accumulating and they're doing something. They're doing this for a reason, right? This couldn't be for no reason. There's no reason why Ethereum whales would be the top percent holders of Shiba Inu. Something has to be going on there, right? And the question is, of course, what? I think there could be some kind of huge rally that might be coming soon. I think they're gearing up for something insane. I think, again, the crypto markets are ripping right now all day today, as you can see here. And they've been doing quite well just today. But again, the overall market in December, this month, has been trash. It's been awful, right? There's been a lot of red days. So I'm going to be very curious to see if we're potentially seeing an overall cryptocurrency market reversal or maybe something bigger, right, in 2022 and beyond. Again, we have to see. Real quick here, just want to top this off with a little bit of the drama controversy update. Ask the Doctor has lost roughly 15,000 followers since last night and counting after the huge debacle that they have basically started with, of course, Satoshi of Shiba Inu Coin, one of the kind of founders or head developers of Shiba Inu. Now, again, 15,000 followers lost just last night. Absolutely incredible stuff too. Ask the Doctor has also been on a absolute tear recently, trying to kind of basically post a bunch of FUD articles and kind of just saying Shiba Inu is worthless and everything in between. And again, while there's just a lot of controversy going on, as you can see here, literally almost every hour or every minute almost, as you can see here, Shib equals 0, medical Q&A platform. They filed a lawsuit. Again, if you guys want to get all the details, we're probably going to make a way further in-depth video, maybe in the future. We have a video out today, multiple videos, in fact, about Ask the Doctor and what he's been saying, what Satoshi has been responding with. So guys, if you don't want to miss those, go look at those on our channel. They're posted today. I believe it's called Shiba Inu is Under Attack or something like that, if I remember the proper title or what we titled it. But again, go check that out, guys. You don't want to miss that because, again, this is some juicy stuff, and it's obviously very interesting to see what is happening overall in this community. Make sure to go check that out, guys. And make sure, too, if you guys haven't already, follow us. Follow us on Twitter, guys, at It's Finance Bro. Of course, it's a really good page. We post a lot of information. We do the same Shiba Inu news that all of your favorite Twitter accounts do, but it's all consolidated into one place. Plus, we add our own interesting spice of things, of course, to everything to keep it interesting and fresh. So, guys, go follow us on there. Let's get this Twitter account to 400 followers in the next 2 days, guys. That would be absolutely awesome. Again, think about it. These videos get thousands of views. If even one of you, or not one of you, but if each one of you who watched this video went and just hit the follow button, we could get to a huge community and grow the army on our personal Twitter page really fast. So guys, please go hit the follow button on our Twitter. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.